You asked, how to divide 2048 by 3 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 20. 20 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 20 minus 18 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 682 remainder 2.